what is the role of technology in the healthcare sector, or especially in the pharmacy?
A role of technology is huge. Everything is computerized, and there are like our system involved at Walgreens is intercom, and everything's and with the rise in AI, it's going to be even more digitalized, but it does help us tremendously. Like everything goes uh, done by the system through it goes in a flow, and it does help us so much because of digitalization of many almost every function. Let's say I'm going to give you an example of state laws. Every state has different laws for pharmacy. So let's say nurse practitioner here cannot write more than a 3 day supply of Percocet, Schedule 2. They can write hydrocodone. It's complicated. But our system would send you a flag if, let's say, I live on a border near Kentucky, Tennessee. Tennessee now has a law that a nurse practitioner can prescribe 30 days. So this is a local underserved community where patients go for specialized procedure to Knoxville, University of Tennessee Hospital. So when we get the script, my system alerted me that this script you can fill for 3 days and not more than 30 days, even though I should know law too. But it was a second balance check by the system. So helpful. And if the doctor's DEA, let's say, or has expired, my system would alert me. Or there is a short, we are dealing with shortage or short supply of medications a lot, especially GLP injectables. So there's inventory systems which help us that prioritize based on who is waiting more and which patient should go first. And if there's copay high, do they really need this medication, or we should give it to someone who's is covered by the plan. So inventory system helps, and it records all real-time data. Their profiles are easily accessible for patients to retrieve their vaccination records. And ordering system is a system. When we put out of stock or partial pill, system will automatically order. And then we have then now central fill locations where 90 days maintenance fill will go directly to our central fill location. Those medications are delivered the next day. So it's huge help, and it's actually helping us to have more time. So administrative tasks are off of our plate, so I can focus more on one-on-one patient care for chronic disease management, or they are introducing testing and treating for common strep flu, because there is a physician and primary care provider shortages too. And patients visit a pharmacy more often and easily. We are easily accessible professionals. That's also to our benefit. So we can educate and promote vaccines and other healthcare initiatives more. So role of technology, digital solutions, it's amazing. I am all for it because it frees up my time to provide more patient care. And also then with digital care, there are refill reminder, adherence, barrier issues taken care of. They send them reminders and auto fill. So I absolutely love it, the role of digital. And one should be open to learn more. As more changes are coming, I encourage everyone to be open to learn, do the CEs or attend CE sessions wherever you have the opportunity through your local organizations. Here through KPHA, our associations, and does all kinds of CE, join those Power Pack. There are many free opportunities to learn more and stay up to date. That gives you more confidence too as a healthcare professional when you are up to date.